thanks to a travel rewards credit card partnered to an airline, I was able to go to Australia for about 33,000 miles and about 20 bucks. Really killer deal. And so I was there back in 2019, December, end of the year, right before COVID hit. This here is an aerial view of Waverly Cemetery. Quite a impressive place. And do you know why cemeteries have fences around them? Because people are dying to get in. And right around here, there was a cool hidden cliff thing you could walk across. Nice little nook and cranny that I found. Watch your step. Just kidding. Yeah, Australia. It's pretty wild out here. Sydney, Australia was never a city I was too interested in going to, but I'm glad I did because it's actually quite charming as a place. It's a very New York style looking skyline amidst the Southern Sea, and Bondi Beach, made famous on TV shows and stuff. It's quite, in person it's quite mediocre, but fun because it's full of people and lively events. But I'm not a surfer, so it wasn't a super cool place for me, but yeah, still a cool place to hang out with friends. Yep, lots of tan peoples just chilling. And this was pretty cool too. This outdoor swimming pool right in front of the ocean. But the water was quite cold, surprisingly, for such a hot country. This is a little garden near the ocean. Nice little local birds doing bird stuff.
Turn right.
P. Sherman 42 something Wallaby Way, Sydney. Something like that. But yep, the Opera House is quite a cool little thingy. Daytime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime. Daytime, nighttime. Yeah, I was in Sydney for about a week or so, and really it was too short of a time. I could be there for a long time. It was such a cool place. And yeah, and then COVID came and ruined everything for the whole world and people in Australia. It'll probably be a while before things change for the better, but until then, keep living, but be careful out there, people. Alright, see y'all next time. And have a good life and stuff. Peace.